Hey you! Are you ready to unlock the magic of intimacy? Not just with your partner, but also with yourself. Today we're diving into the multi-dimensional intimacy where sensuality, spirituality, and energy come together to create deep connection and profound pleasure. Let's dive in. The first step to all of this intimacy, right, is to ignite a power that we call your sensual power. Your sensual power is your ability to feel and sense sensation. And true intimacy begins with awareness. Awareness is your perceptiveness of your body. Can you feel the tingling sensations on your skin? These perceptiveness of your emotions, your feelings, and energy. What are you feeling in this second? Are you able to connect with that? In Taoist and Tantric traditions, sensuality isn't just physical. It's an energetic force that flows through your entire being. Fear, joy. When you tune into your body, you create space for pleasure to arise naturally. For men, place one hand on your chest and the other on your sacral area. Take deep breaths in 4 counts, breathing in, shoulders down. 2, 3, 4. Hold for 4 counts. 2, 3, 4. Exhale. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Exhale for 6 counts. In 4, hold 4, exhale 6 counts. With each exhale, feel yourself drop deeper into your body. Ask yourself, what sensations am I feeling right now? What does my body desire today? Climax, orgasm, pleasure is slightly different for each person. It can include rhythmic body movements, increased heart rates, muscle tension. But true connection requires bringing your awareness beyond the genital area and genital reflexes for your whole body's energy to be expanded. For women, place one hand on your heart and another on your belly, closing your eyes and take a deep, slow breath. Breathing in. Notice, where am I holding tension today? Place your attention on that area. Breathe in. And relax it, expand it, let it go. In your exhale. Inhale again to another point of tension in your body. And let the other part that has tension release and relax, especially if there's someone who's pissing you off or someone in your mind. Let it go. When we connect to your heart and womb space, we step into our sovereign power, the ability to receive pleasure and radiate love in a harmony with my body's rhythm. So for women, it's really connecting with that heart. Men as well, but really allow yourself to connect to that radiant. Hum softly as you exhale to create a vibrational release. Inhale. Closing your mouth, hum. Called the bee breath in yoga. This allows you to activate the vagus nerve and get into parasympathetic nervous system. Step 2. Build unshakable trust and connection. Intimacy is emotional, energetic, and also neurological. Building trust allows your nervous system to shift from defense to openness. Sit face to face for couples. Hold hands, gazing softly into each other's eyes. Look into each other's eyes and softly relax your eyes. Take deep breaths together. Inhale for 4 counts. 3, 2, 1. Exhale for 6 counts, synchronizing your breath in and out. When partners synchronize their breaths and heart energy, they activate oxytocin release, fostering a safe, deeply connected, and emotional state. If you're single, you can use a mirror. You can look into the mirror, make eye contact with yourself, taking 3 deep breaths, 4 in, 6 out, and say out aloud. Look into the mirror and say, I see you. I honor you. You are worthy of love and pleasure and feeling good in your body, feeling confident, feeling rewarded for being alive, feeling cherished, appreciated, seen, heard, and felt. Step 3. Master energy-based intimacy and Tantra. Energy is the bridge between the physical and the emotional. Tantra invites you to focus on your energy flow, awakening sensations and creating a spiritual connection through intimacy. Take a deep breath and bring your intention to the moment. Sit cross-legged or lie comfortably on your back. Close your eyes, deep breath in. Visualize your energy moving in a circular flow, drawing the energy from your perineum up through the crown and down in front of you. The microcosmic orbit transforms sexual energy into a life force energy, which nourishes the body and heightens intimacy at levels on every kind of level. Bonus wisdom from me, our yummy framework. Your unique magnetic momentum framework is about clearing interferences, fears, contractionary energies, and realigning with your true essence. When you embody this clarity, intimacy transforms from a task into a joyful, spontaneous adventure. Intimacy is a journey, a beautiful, unfolding adventure. Lead with awareness, build trust, and align your energy to rediscover the magic within yourself and your connections. Ready to dive in deeper? You know what? Actually, all of these things are going to be discussed even deeper in our ebook. I literally wrote it all down. Multidimensional intimacy, exclusive ebook, links below, practical tools, sacred wisdom, advanced techniques. It goes over these techniques for deeper intimacy. We also have a membership, so you can also join that. And that's more like a spontaneous evolution of our journey together. This is Hani, and I'll talk to you soon in another video. Thank you for being here.